we need to do things smarter, because that's a demand not only from our customers, but as if we also have to take care of the natural resources and the earth, we need to do things differently.
I was actually fairly surprised about the problems that they came up with and the problems that they solved during the exercises here, because I didn't expect to see some really concrete, practical cases.
I knew about Python a little bit what you can do, but what I've seen, and that for me personally what was the biggest learning, is actually how we can use Python at Semco.
Extremely impressive job, and that comes from all of us. I came here today to be a judge, and I'm really impressed.
And I think the winner is obvious by now. I'm looking at you, Jesper.
This is what I like, so hopefully I'll get more tasks in programming. We can automate a lot of things, remove all these boring tasks and optimize our time, so there's a lot to do.
To some extent becomes the DNA of the company, that we will do things differently, and we will try to optimize but have fun.
And this is what the innovation team, what innovation is all about. That is generating ideas, being a place where people get inspired, where they feel, wow, the company wants to listen to some of my ideas.
Thank you very much.
Well done.